Hello guys, welcome to Learning Guide. In this video, I am going to give you a little briefing about our special course. It's Selenium Java Interview Guide. As from the name itself, it is clear that this course is specifically created for interview preparation. With this course, there are some free bonuses. Flat 50% off, you can see here, flat 50% off on the course itself. And to analyze the quality of the product, free trial product is available. Okay, so you can try the free trial product before purchasing this. Okay, now the question is, who will be benefited if they enroll for this course, or who can take this course? An automation tester looking out for a job change, an experienced professional who's still struggling to crack any interview. If you are already preparing for an interview in automation testing, if you are a manual tester and wants to switch to automation testing with some or little automation experience, if you are a manager or lead who conducts automation interviews, if you are an automation tester and wants to brush up your concepts or skills, if you are a fresher and wants to pursue career in automation testing, if you are any of these, then you can take this course. Okay, now let's discuss the main benefits of this course. But before discussing the benefits, I will show you some problems which every candidate face while Selenium interview preparation. So let's see that first. Interview preparation problems. See, whenever we start preparing, what we do? First, take out our study materials like notes, books, or anything we have, and we start preparing from it, right? The notes and books have concepts. Okay, whatever study material we have, it will be having some concepts, and we try to brush up our concepts from there, right? After that, after brushing up all the concepts, what we do? We try to dig into the internet to search for top interview questions, right? And believe me guys, these questions are not easy to get. Okay, let me show you practically that what problems we candidates face while searching for questions on the internet. So here we are going to find top Selenium interview questions and answers for experienced, or you can say 2021 also, we'll add that. We are going to analyze the first few of this. So let us open a new tab, all these things. Let me dig little bit lower. Okay, here also. So I have opened a 4 different websites here, and if I go through each of these websites, you can see the questions are like, you can see here, what is automation testing? As I have already told you, what are the advantages, benefits of automation testing, how many test cases have you automated per day, what is Selenium? These are the questions which were asked 5 to 6 years back. Okay, now I will show you the another website. Here also we can see what is Selenium, what it is composed of, what is Selenium 2.0, what is Selenium 3.0, how will you find element using Selenium. Now these are the basic questions which were asked years back. Okay, now we will see this also. Let's check this top 31 Selenium interview question. Let's see whether we get good questions or not. You can see the same type of question. What is Selenium suite components, ID, remote control, WebDriver? These are the questions asked to the freshers. Okay, what are the limitations of Selenium, what are the testing types supported by Selenium? Okay, these are the old questions. You will find the old questions here on the internet. Now what is, you can see here also, what is automation testing, what is Selenium 2.0, mention some popular tools used for automation testing, what is locator. These are the basic questions guys. Okay, and these are never asked in the interview. Now in today's interview, I can say the questions can be asked based on frameworks, test ng, like that type of question they used to ask, right? So to find these questions, I'm not saying that these the good questions will not be available on the internet. This will be available, but you have to dig more into it, and it is the time consuming process, right? Same way we try to get answers, video tutorials, code, working framework, everything on the internet, which gives us 100 different types of result. In short, we can call it as scattered information. And this will consume your lots of time to collect all the information. Using this, our concept will get clear, but you have to do this for each categories of questions. Like I will show you the categories. Now these are the categories. You can see questions on yourself, framework based questions, TestNG based questions, Selenium WebDriver based question, browser, page, web table and locator based questions, core Java programming questions, automation general based questions, scenario based questions, questions on Selenium fundamental for freshers. Now all these types of questions are available on the internet, but you need to search for each kind of questions. Now these are just categories. In each category there can be more than 20 questions, and you have to find each question like this. Okay, you have to search each question like this on the internet. Okay, so same way you have to find for answers, you same way you have to find video tutorials, same way you have to find code, same way you have to find full working framework on the internet, which is very time consuming, and all these will take days to prepare like this. Or I can say many candidates will end up by stop preparing and continue what they are doing right now. They actually stop preparing only because of this reason. Now I have solution for candidates like this who actually want to prepare for the interview without wasting their time. Okay, now solution to these problems. What if I tell you that you will get everything at one place, such that you don't have to waste your time on the internet for searching? Yes, it's true. I have created a study material which contains everything in it, like questions, answers, video concepts, example, code, and full working framework. Now this particular study material is into the format of course. Okay, let me show you the little glimpse of this course. Okay, once you enrolled into the course will look like this. Okay, you can see the enrolled button over here, and if you go into this see more, it will open the course for you. Okay, now below here you can see all the categories of questions and the total number of questions that we have in each category. You can see 24, 15, 31, 14, 41. All these are different types of questions. Here you can see there are total 3 topics or 3 questions we can say. And if I expand this, you can see the total 3 questions. Can you tell me about yourself? Can you brief about your roles and responsibility in the current project? What are the tools and technologies that you have used in your whole automation career? Okay, and if you go into the framework questions like this type of questions will be available to you. If I click on any one of this question, it will take you to the course and it will show you all the different types of questions, and along with this question you can see the video is available, explanation video is there, answer is there. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer, this is the example that you can see here. So you got 3 things: question, answer, example. Okay, and video explanation, everything you got here. Okay, question, answer, example, video, explanation. There is no code required here, that's why I have not written any code. Let's see if we have any question. Yes, page factory, it should have some code in it. So this is the question and this is the explanation of how to implement this particular page factory, and this is the answer, and you can see the code is given here only. You can see the code here only. This is the example, this is how you can implement the code, this is how you can implement the cache lookup, and this is the full class code that I have given into the example. You can directly copy this code and paste it in your Eclipse and run this particular example directly. Okay, and you can see I have also given the conceptual video here at the end of this. So you will be having 2 different conceptual videos: example, code, answer, question, all the things into one. Okay, like this you will get everything into one question only. You don't need to go anywhere else, you will get everything into it. Okay, and this is not only for this page factory question, this is for all the questions. You click any of this question, you will get the answer of it. Okay, what is the entry point for BDD framework? The feature file is the entry point in the BDD framework. Now this is a very simple question, a one line answer. It doesn't require any example, it doesn't require any video, specific video for that. So this is the reason I have not provided any video or anything like this. This is a one line answer, and that's the reason I have given the answer directly to this question here. Okay, let's move to our topic. Now we'll see the course benefits which overcome all the problems. There are 200 plus questions. Now you don't need to find interview questions anymore on the internet. Almost all types of questions are available here. So with all these questions, we are having answers to each question. Again, you don't need to find or search answers on the internet. It will be available with the question itself. Okay, then examples, wherever required, I have provided examples to you. Okay, then video explanation. So there are some questions which require video explanation, so I have provided this explanation to the answers wherever required. Some questions like tell me about yourself require video explanation, so there I have provided video in the answer part. Then again we have conceptual video. I have provided conceptual video just after the answer is completed, and if you are interested or want to see the real life implementation, then you can watch these videos. Then we have downloadable code. In answer itself I have provided the code that you can download or copy and paste it wherever you want. And the last one is GitHub repository. For all framework video course, all the working framework are available on the GitHub repository, which I have shared after every successful implementation of framework. From there you can directly clone whole project. Now we come to the bonus part. The first product that I am going to give you is the basic product, that is this one, Selenium Java interview guide, which I am giving you in the 50% discount. Okay, so Selenium Java interview guide is available to you on 50% discount. The cost of it is 12,000 rupees, but I am giving you in 5,999. I have excluded the GST, so you just have to pay 5,999 for this particular product. But this is not enough. I am going to give you something else with this product. I am going to give you automation framework basic. This is also a video course which is available free on my website. So I am going to give you this particular product. So you don't need to enroll separately for this particular product. You will be getting this product along with this. Okay. Plus I will give you one more thing, that is data driven framework. Now this is also absolutely free. You can see the price over here, but I am going to give you this particular course absolutely free. This is not enough. I am going to give you some more things like page object model. This is also a full video course which is available on my website, and this is absolutely free, which will be given with this particular course. Plus I'm going to give you TestNG framework also absolutely free. Plus I'm going to give you BDD Cucumber framework also, which is absolutely free of cost. So all these course will be available to you along with this course. So now you just have to pay 5,999 and get access to all these courses, which is absolutely free. So I am going to give you this course in bundle. So this particular course is available in a bundle. Okay, so you can purchase this course in 5,999, but don't purchase it directly. Before that you can go through the trial version of our course. Now this particular course is just a replica. This trial course is a replica of the original course, which contains 27 random questions picked from all the categories. Okay, and you can see the answers, videos, example code same as in the original course. Okay, so you can just try this free trial course which is having 27 random questions. You don't have to log in for this. You can directly access this free trial on my website. Okay, just go through this course, see the quality of the questions, and if you like the course then only go and purchase the original course. Okay, This free trial course is just to give you an idea of how the course will be, and by going through this trial you can analyze its benefits and features. So I want you to analyze the benefits and feature of this course and purchase this course for your benefit. And after purchasing this course, I am sure that you will be able to crack any interview whatever coming to your way. Okay, so with this I would like to sign off and would like to wish you all the best. Thank you.